Hey guys, welcome to another Hosting Your Academy tutorial. My name is Kastudis and today we'll go over using the hPanel's backup system. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Most of us have definitely been in a situation where we wanted to restore our website to an earlier state. Perhaps you deleted an important file or installed a new plugin that broke your website. Whatever the case may be, this is where the backup system comes into play. So let's get to it. Let's start by navigating to your Backups tab in hPanel. You can easily reach it by scrolling just a bit on the Hosting Management page. The Backups tab has 4 basic sections. Restore everything. This feature is coming soon, and as the name suggests, it will help you restore your website files and the corresponding databases in just a single click. File backups and database backups. These are the features we'll be using to restore your website to an earlier version, or simply download your website files and databases to your local device for some later use. Generate new backup. This feature is super handy if you're making some drastic changes to your website's configuration. If anything goes wrong, you can simply go back to a save point. Backups are generated automatically on a weekly basis, although we do offer an option for daily backups as well. And as for manual backups, they can be generated every 24 hours, so take note of that. To restore your website files, we will of course be using the Files Backup section. Once you have it selected, a drop-down menu appears. In the drop-down menu, you can choose the date of the backup that you would like to restore or download. Afterwards, once you decided on the date, you can click Show Files so that your backup's contents are displayed. This is super handy in situations where you have multiple websites and you would like to restore only one of them. You can also use this feature to restore specific files too. Alternatively, you can choose the Prepare to Download option. This will generate a link which you can use to download an archived copy of your backups to your local device. And that's all it takes to restore your website files. Most websites also use the database to function, so let's move on to the database section. Here, the drop-down menu is a bit different. Instead of the backup date, you are able to select specific database that you would like to restore or download. Once you have chosen your desired database, clicking on Show Databases will bring up all the save points that you have for your selected database. Then, as well as with your files, you have 2 options, Restore and Prepare to Download. These work in the same way as they do for your website file backups. Finally, let's move on to generating a new backup to save your website as it is in its current state. All it takes is clicking the Select and Proceed on the Generate New Backup tab. And that's all there is to it. Let me know if you found this video helpful by clicking the like button. And of course, stay subscribed for more amazing video tutorials like this one. Perhaps you have used the Backups feature to save your website. Tell me more about it in the comments down below. Until then, I wish you best of luck in your internet journey. Goodbye!